So let's check it out. Marvelous. I see the interlock. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sweet house. So this is it. So the good thing is that all of them is still available. And if you want to live in independence layout, you want a secured estate, and you have the money, this is the perfect house for you. This is actually 5-bedroom duplex with a BQ and what we call OB, a little small sit out. If you want to watch the full video, go back to my previous videos on YouTube. Yeah, you'll see the video, or you comment, I want to see the video, I'm interested in buying one. Then I will reach out to you with my number. You reach out to me with the number on the description. Yeah, let's get you started. Okay, so this is the OB I was telling you about. You can call it a sit out. You see, you can just sit here. This is the backyard, and this is the big space where you can park your cars. So if you want the full video, just go back to my previous videos. I have a full detailed video of this house. And this is the front. So it comes with a smart lock. Yeah, you can see the smart lock here. Let me show you. You see the smart lock? Comes with the smart lock.